Senior officers, participants, the special guests of honor.
Every opportunity that I've had to talk to the press, I've always emphasized the civil populace contribution to any war effort, indeed any crisis management effort. And so we expect cooperation from the larger Nigerian society, especially those that live in the frontline communities where banditry, insurgency, kidnapping, and other violent crimes take place. So that receiving this information from them, we give the military the leverage to act and combat the violence. Intelligence is the driver of every military operation. The military has its own sources, and these sources are far-flung sometimes, even into the rural areas. So we require the support of all to combat the security challenges confronting our country.